I can read your mind, and I know your story. I see what you're going through. Yeah, it's a uphill climb, and I'm feeling sorry, but I know it will come to you. Yeah, don't surrender, 'cause you can win in this thing called love. In your heart let down. Don't give up on your faith. Love comes to us to believe it, and that's the way it is. When you question me for the simple answer, I don't know what you say, no, but it's plain to see. If we stick together, you're gonna find a way, yeah. So don't surrender, you can win, girl, in this thing called love. When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go, then your heart's let down. Don't give up on your faith. Love comes to us to believe it, and that's the way it is. That's the way it is. Love is heavy with no tomorrow. The loneliness starts to come. Baby, don't worry, forget your sorrow, 'cause I'm gonna conquer